Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. We are still using the Sony ZV-E10 camera. That's the new camera that I got. I think I've solved some of the audio issues, but you tell me, how does this sound? Is it better? Did I solve it? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Today, I have a box from Lancaster Farm Fresh, and I have 2 boxes from Thorne. Thorne is where I get most of my vitamins and supplements from. I love them. I found Thorne during all the shutdowns because, quite frankly, there weren't a lot of places you could get vitamins because everybody just went and ran out and got all the vitamins. I found them at that time. I am an affiliate for Thorne, but this video is not sponsored. Just saying, not sponsored. I will leave links in the description down below if you want to try some of the products when I unbox them and go through them with you. I don't get all of my supplements from them. I actually do really love Vitamin Code. This is Garden of Life. This is Perfect Weight is the one I like. I don't know if it helps me keep my weight perfect. Since I've been using it, my weight has stayed good, so I want to keep using it. This is what I use for my multivitamin. But I have all my other vitamins and Collins vitamins and supplements in here. We're gonna open this Lancaster Farm Fresh box first though. So let's put these over here and get this box open. We have different ice packs this time. We have Enviro Ice, and this is drainable gel plant food, nitrogen based. We've been getting those ones that are like the foam, like Oasis, talked about them a million times. Now we're getting those. And they do put, instead of a useless piece of cardboard, they do put an actually useful piece of really durable paper in there that absorbs whatever condensation and moisture comes off the ice packs. They're thinking. Oh, we got some lettuce. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this is the medium box. It is all organic. Lancaster Farm Fresh is a cooperative of all organic Amish farms. They deliver to New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, and Washington, D.C. And if you're interested in trying Lancaster Farm Fresh, there's a link in the description down below where you can save if you use code AMY5, and you'll save $5 off your first order with Lancaster Farm Fresh. So we have some red leaf lettuce, and this is beautiful lettuce, guys. What do you think? I keep forgetting. I gotta back up from the camera. This is really nice looking lettuce. And then we've got some more lettuce, some green leaf lettuce, and this looks really good. It smells really fresh. There's a pine needle in there. I mean, that's gonna happen. Wow, look at all this rosemary. This is beautiful rosemary. And it's a lot of rosemary. And this time of year, I use rosemary like it's going out of style. So this is fantastic. I'm so excited. And then we've got some bok choy. This is beautiful bok choy. Really pretty. And a leek, and this is a normal, healthy looking leek. It's not the ginormous leeks that we get from Misfits Market, but this is a really good looking leek. And then we've got some green peppers, lots of green peppers, wow. I'm trying to see how many peppers I can hold in one hand. Oh, I almost did it. I almost had it. I was almost juggling peppers. Okay, so there's 3 here, there's 2 here, 3. Can I do 3? We're gonna try. We're gonna go for 3. Hi, Brexy. I know, it's almost time. Do you wanna say hello? Do you wanna say hello? You wanna say hello to me? Do you wanna say hello to the people? No, you don't. What about you guys? Do you wanna say hello? No? Okay. All right, so maybe, should I give up on trying to see how many peppers I can hold in one hand? So 3 over there. Can I do 2? Wow, I'm really gonna go for this. I did it. I'm holding 5 peppers. I have 2 in this hand and 3 in this hand. That's a lot of peppers. They're pretty peppers too. And then we've got, what is this? Scarlet turnips. Have you guys ever seen scarlet turnips? These are really pretty. See, I'm getting used to this camera. It has a great product showcase feature where it focuses on the product without me having to cover up my eyes. That's pretty cool. So it's working. So these are scarlet turnips. Beautiful. Oh, and some beautiful carrots. You know something? We get the best carrots from Lancaster Farm Fresh. The best carrots. These, look at the carrot greens. They're beautiful. I mean, this is fantastic. This is a lot of stuff for $39.99. Oh, there's another bok choy. Look at that. And what is this? Oh, this is a daikon radish, I think. Yes, this is a daikon radish. I had to look at the email to see what they said I was getting. I don't look at that in advance. So when I open this, I really just don't have any idea what's going to be in here. This is great. And then we've got some, wow, look at the size. We've got some potatoes, and these look like Yukon Gold. Look at the size of this Yukon Gold potato. How many potatoes can I hold in my hand? That's a good question. We got 3 potatoes. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like because, guys, this really is a lot of stuff. My sink is full for $39.99. It's been a long time since Misfits filled up my sink for $39.99. This is, look at this beautiful stuff here. And then we've got the potatoes over here. Really pretty. So now we're gonna move over to the Thorne boxes and see. We have berberine 500, and this is for heart and metabolism. And some of you know that Colin has had some cholesterol issues, so I've been trying to give this to him. He pushes back when I give him too many vitamins, so he hasn't taken this in a while, but I have it for when he's ready to take it again. And then some fish oil. This is the Super EPA Pro, which is high EPA omega-3. And this is also good for heart. It's good for your brain, your mood. I've always taken fish oil, but now I'm giving it to Colin too. And he sometimes takes it. Meriva 500 SF, and this is curcumin. And this is for joint support, liver, and detox. By the way, this is what they say these things are for. It's on here. I'm not making it up. It's not the world according to Aimée. It's what Thorne says it's for. Always check with your doctor before you take any supplement. Don't take something just because I take it. I'm not a doctor. Anyway, liver detox, GI support, and wound and injury is what it says that this is good for. And then Niacel, which is niacinamide, I can't say these, riboside, and they say, I don't say, they say this is for brain, nerves, healthy aging, and metabolism. And then Q-Best 100 CoQ10. I've always taken CoQ10, pretty much always. There were times I stopped taking it because I forgot to buy it or whatever. The reason I actually started getting it again was because Colin is on medication for his cholesterol, and that depletes the body of CoQ10, so they say. Doctors and medical people and scientists, they say this is a good foundational supplement for brain and nerves and heart and vessels. Okay, and then we got box number 2. And these are Colin's multivitamins, because I'm not a man 50 plus. Biomins with copper and iron, and this is a foundational supplement. It's because I have endometriosis, which some of you know, so I want to make sure I get enough iron. That's why I take that one. They had been out of this omega, so I had ordered this, and I must have put it on a subscription. Forgot to cancel it, so now I have 2 fish oil supplements. Now I guess I have a choice. Reversa-Cell. This contains, do I have any over here? Do I have any plain? This contains this with resveratrol. This I had because I had run out of this. And this is for healthy aging and metabolism. They say that. It says that on the thing. But remember, these statements have not been evaluated by the FDA. Oh, more CoQ10. I guess I'm stocking up on this stuff. I think I had run out of it and double ordered it. Now we have plenty. Zinc biglycinate. This is a very absorbable form of zinc. Since, we're in a pandemic, I'm taking zinc to keep my immune system up. This is for immune support, is what it says, what they say, not FDA proven, but that's what they say. And I take this every day. I try to give it to Colin too. Sometimes he takes it. By the way, he got his Moderna booster yesterday, and the day before that, he got his flu shot. So now he's in a world of pain. Both his arms are so sore. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna need to order CoQ10 for a while. I don't know what I was thinking. And then vitamin D. And most people don't get enough vitamin D. We get vitamin D from the sun. If you're like me and you spend a lot of time indoors, you're not gonna get a lot of vitamin D. So I take this. This is good for bone support, immune support. I try to give it to Colin too. Try, being the key here. Ferrosorb. I think at one time I was trying to decide which one I like better. Ferrosorb or Biomint. I still haven't figured it out. So I take one day and then I take one the next day. I used to use Healthy Blood, which was a vitamin code or Garden of Life supplement. I liked that, and I can't remember which of these was similar to that. The ingredients were very similar. And then we have a little box inside the other box. And these are my probiotics. And these probiotics, I love them. These are my favorite probiotics, and I've tried multiple different ones from Thorne. I've also tried a lot of probiotics from a lot of different companies. Sometimes I get a lot of inflammation and a lot of gas from using probiotics. These have been the ones that have helped me the most and don't cause any distress at all. Also, I discovered that if I take them after I eat dinner before I go to bed, I don't get the gas that I would get when I was taking them in the morning. There are links to all of these in the description down below. What do you guys think of the Lancaster Farm Fresh order? And what do you think of the Thorne products? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. And remember, there's a promo code to try Lancaster Farm Fresh, Aimée5, just go to their website and use that code. And for Thorne, I have links to all these products in the description down below. And if you use those links, you help the channel because it helps me do more of these videos for all of you because I get a small commission when you order with my links. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with somebody else that wants to get healthy groceries and save money at the same time. I post videos every week that can help you with your fitness, nutrition, figure skating, and live a better life. So remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Aimée. Stay healthy. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.